Hi, my name is Marla, and welcome to my creation station. Today I'm having a blue Christmas as I decorate my bedroom for the holiday season. Today's episode is part of Room by Room, Colors of Christmas, hosted by Devin at Freckled Mom DIY and co-hosted by White Sparrow Living. You'll find links to their channels in the description box. Please check them out. DIY number 1 are bluebells. I used 2 white bells from Dollar General. They also have these at Dollar Tree. And I mixed blue acrylic paint with some ink chalk paint to make a navy blue color. I gave these both 2 coats of paint and added the greenery back to the top. And here's how they turned out. DIY number 2 are blue gift boxes. I took 2 gift boxes of different sizes from Dollar Tree and took them outside and spray painted them in a flat white, and then I added navy blue ribbon around them. I am generally a terrible bow maker, so I did not add that in here, but I did make a bow. It turned out okay, and I added it to the top. And because we're stacking these boxes, I only needed 1 bow on the top box. And here we'll take a look at them in my room. DIY number 3 is a painted blue Christmas tree. This is a sign I got from Michael's during their $5 box sale. It had several in there, and I'm just going to remove the paper and then sand it down. Once that gets sanded down smoothly, I used that same mixture of paint, the blue acrylic and the Waverly ink chalk paint, mixed it together and painted the entire canvas. Once that paint had dried, I took Waverly in white and I'm just freehanding a Christmas tree. I'm simply adding more and more brush strokes until I'm happy with the shape. I didn't have any more stars, but I did add a little white snowflake to the top of the tree. And here's a look at it styled on my nightstand. DIY number 4 are silver beaded trees. These are tree forms from Dollar Tree that I spray painted silver. These are plastic pieces I got from Michael's on sale. They look like glass pieces, but they are just hot glued all the way around wherever there is a wire that joins another wire. Once I got to the bottom, I did continue to glue some around the bottom where the wires joined. Here I'm using some jewelry wire that I had on hand and some Dollar Tree pearls, and I'm simply stringing those onto the wire, giving them a twist and spacing them out an inch or so, and I'm going to wire these to the tree forms. I am attaching these to the straight parts of the tree form. Here's a look at how they turned out. I think they look really pretty. Once everything was beaded and glued down, I used a star that I removed from one of Dollar Tree's little star light up LED lights, and I glued it to the top. I added these to my nightstand as well. Let's take a look at my blue Christmas bedroom. Most of the items you will see are from Dollar Tree, Target Dollar Spot, or Dollar General.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I do have an antique find here. This is a vintage cobalt blue Santa and sleigh, I believe by Westmoreland, that I found in an antique store not too long ago. And the two white doves were my mother's. I hope you found something today to inspire you, and I hope that you'll check out Devin and Wendy's channels in the description box, as well as the playlist for today. Until next time, I wish you peace, health, and sunshine. Bye now.